Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Bro, get an afro. How do people get afro?
I don't know, dude. I think you just get a lot of hair and then you take inflatable like balloon and just stick it in your head. Pop it up.
Tell your neighbor what you think.
This is a setup question for the next question, which is going to be hard. I've learned your tricks by now.
Yep.
Psychology?
No, it's just scaffolded teaching.
Oh, the poll doesn't have that. Wait, no, that doesn't matter though. Yeah, but if the poll does have that, but that would change.
I mean, it's
Oh no, so it's gonna be.
All right. So correct answer is C. They'll meet at the center of mass. Okay. Since momentum is conserved, the velocity of the center of mass, which is 0, is conserved, meaning that the location of the center of mass stays put. Okay. So mathematically, what I would do was just say this is the origin, even though it says that that's the origin, and go m times 6 over 3m gives me 2. So it's 2 from this point, gives me -1. Good with that? Okay. The next one is if the little guy pulls himself. That's the same question. This okay. This is the harder question. I mean, why not? They're like, we're good. Yeah.
Imagine having a hair care routine.
Imagine having hair that long and not having hair.
Yeah. I just said I was healthy. Tim, do you know how to brush your hair?
What do you mean, do I know how to brush my hair?
Hang on, why is somebody asking why the coordinate system is spray painted on the ice?
I try to get like, okay.
What nerd did that?
There's a lot of stuff that gets stuck at the bottom, so I flip over to try and like get it.
Wait, whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck?
Mm-hmm.
They pass at the center of mass.
Yeah.
That's right. They are just genius art. Okay, I have an Sorry, Tim.
I'll just do that.
Your seat has priority.
Tim, do you use a wet brush?
No, I was taught how to brush my hair. I didn't get long hair till like freshman year.
I'm going to teach you how to brush your hair.
Can you go over that?
How about you also forward it to me?
This is true. I just figured it was self-explanatory that you like put the brush in the hair.
You do.
Yeah, we already solved it.
Okay, tell your neighbor.
I'm going with the rest.
They rotate around the center of mass. Assuming he rotates around the center of mass, he's going to end up 4 meters away in the diameter of the circle that he's moving along. So 4 meters away from the starting position. It kind of is.
It could be. Okay, it's not, they're not actually rotating, it's equivalent to rotating. Yeah.
It is a
Now I see what.
Are you ever you're so wrong?
No, it was my first.
I can literally never down.
All right.
All right.
Are we good?
Calvin, you be the big guy. I'll be the small spoon guy.
Okay. So, location of the center of mass stays put at -1. Okay. Location of the center of mass is right here. Location of the center of mass.
Whoa.
Location of the center of mass. No, you're good. Location of the center of mass.
Dude, it's crazy to me that my feet are all the way down there. What the heck?
Okay. So the center of mass is still here, still located here. So the guy's at +1. Good with that?
One-dimensional rotation.
Okay. Okay. Seen that on the AP test.
So as they pull themselves, they just move directly left. No rotation.
It is rotated by differentiation in one dimension, so.
Rotation in one dimension.
It doesn't make sense until you look at how you actually until you look at rotation matrices, and then it still doesn't make sense.
Hey, bungee jump, guys.
Oh, I had it open. All right. So. Moment of inertia. So we've got this expression. Okay, summation of the pieces of mass multiplied by how far it is from the axis of rotation squared. And this is how you see that in algebra textbooks. This is how you see this in calculus-based textbooks. Okay. Notice that the way they write it, you can't evaluate it like this because this unit and this unit don't agree.
I'm pretty sure it's the unit is.
Where's my other lead? Oh, okay. I was gonna ask you to go back.
You write it like that. All right, so I want you to calculate the moment of inertia about one end of a uniform density bar with mass m and length L. You might know the answer already, but that's not the point.
But is it really?
So I'm going to do this in terms of L. You could do X, that's fine.
How about we do it?
Suck the water.
Oh yeah, it's true. I'll work on this album.
Where Sam's gonna DM me on Discord later today, be like, Brad, you're not shut up. Because it's all
Posing in a be real. Is that what that is? Yeah. Love it.
That's every single one of them. Hard.
How do we do? Set up.
R equals L.
Mhm.
Yes, big L. I think that. That's true. That's facts. That is straight fact. It's actually uniformly against facts. Big L's the overall. Little L's is the middle piece. So that's no.
Okay. And so what we find is that is what I gave you on the chart. The moment of inertia of a rod pivoted about one end, 1/3 ml squared. This question in particular is a very popular one in AP. Say, find the moment of inertia. And they would say, verify. Or they wouldn't just say find, they would say derive, which would indicate that you need to go through these steps and not just say, 1/3 ml squared, because that's what I memorized. Okay. All right. So now we're going to do it from the center of mass, pivoted about the center of mass. Nope. We are on our way.
Oh, right, because you're, yeah.
We're out.
Where is it at?
Southern Indiana.
What time? There's Scooby Doo. I'm on that side. Oh, you're there.
No, Matt Trask is the shit.
Oh,
He's not gonna be there. I'm doing Scooby-Doo with a bunch of people. Sam is Brad, but Sam's not gonna be there tonight because he's dead.
I think you do it.
No, I'm just none of my group is there. It's just me.
All right. So Our limits of integration are the only thing that changes.
Yeah, they don't have a Scooby, and I am Scooby. I already talked to Michael about this.
Is everybody okay with that? The limits in like this other stuff doesn't change.
I'm just gonna be on road.
We're going from a negative L over 2 to positive L over 2. Making this the origin. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a dumb question that I should probably know, but like, this is gonna give like a wrong answer, but like, why can't you just go wait? Oh, never mind.
You sure?
Yeah, that's a great
Okay.
question. Thank you, Tim.
I'll put that up by the quote.
Really easy.
No, that's a good. That's.
Along the DC.
Sounds good. It sounds like one
So
of
see,
my
that's an appropriate person to quote, right, Smiley?
directly go from.
Yeah, but that's like that's not dumb.
We won't write.
I do really.
Cube. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So this becomes L third 8 24 minus plus becomes 2 24th 1/12 becomes 1/12 ML squared. Ta-da! And that's what's on your chart. Good with that?
And now we can calculate for it. Now we can calculate for a uniformly dense bar rotating about anywhere.
This feels like
Zero to L and then make bar
No, because then you have to multiply by 2 to account for the other
Given
maps.
this information, prove that the bar is
There are shortcuts. Okay, say it again.
Make it the limit of integration from 0 to L
Mhm.
and then make where you plug in for R L over 2.
L over 2.
Lowercase L over 2.
But it doesn't.
I don't think so.
It doesn't. See if it works out on this one. I'm going to say no, but see if it works out on this. All right, so I want to pivot it about this point here. Which the answer on this is not on your chart, but it is definitely in the realm of possibilities.
Yeah, I can see someone wanting to do that. In fact,
Does
you might do that for the trebuchet project.
It is a trebuchet.
Oh, yeah.
imagine using this for your mom.
Yeah, you know what I mean. That's the Brad uses his Logan has the big.
I just said, oh yeah, this is much longer than the other guy. I was like, oh,
Okay, so you got 3/4 L. Sorry, it starts at negative L over 4 and ends at 3/4 L. hours. Four. $64.
Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, times 3. Hey, we're integrating. It's fun times. We're integrating. It's fun times. 192. 64. 9.
He's so cool.
He's so cool.
Why?
Should have just.
Just white, yes.
Emma, you need to check your email at some point.
You might be just.
Not now.
Because Howard's will break his
Yeah.
And I can't see.
Sorry.
I prefer the not doing that kind of way.
I'm sorry.
So 28 divided by 2.
Let's get out a calculator.
14. 192. 96. 7.
748.
748. Perfect. Okay.
Well, it's just all corners, so it's a solid centerpiece.
So if we double check that with parallel axis theorem,
Oh no.
which would be 1/12 ml squared plus m times 1/4 L. I hope that works. That'd be a lot.
Yeah, 4 plus 3. Yeah, that works.
So 64
More squared.
squared, not cubed. Thank you. 16. Hopefully 1/12 plus 1/16 gives you 7/48.
Yeah, it's 48 plus 3.
Thank you.
Perfect. Good.
I never really learned arithmetic all that well.
That's a problem. That's a really big
All right. So here's some conceptual stuff. Actually, for the sake of time, I'm just going to tell you what I'm trying to get you to see. If you calculated this with parallel axis theorem, what you'll find is these two are really close to the same. So you can approximate, so long as the length is longer than the radius.
Yeah, okay, so if I have a length of 1 centimeter and a
Right.
radius of 10 miles, obviously it's not going to be the same.
Correct. But if this is long enough, this can be safely approximated as a point mass. Good with that?
Didn't he get like really mad about this campground or something? I mean, yeah, but like, I don't know. I wasn't in that class.
Talk to your neighbor.
I don't know. I didn't read the class. I feel like I changed the
Because you see in the integral math, because in the integral math, it has very many exponents, so, and just multiplying by the math. So therefore, the distribution of the mass at any given radius does not matter. Just the mass is at the same radius. Okay, you want to be
Not really a big
if
Star Wars fan.
you want to get technical, it accounts for the fact that those will have
Yeah, but
it would depend on the relative radii.
It was not what I was doing last week. I was depressed over.
Correct answer is. Correct answer is C.
We aren't given the radii, so we can assume it's 0.
Oh, of the ball. I was like, what?
Okay, so we're going to treat them as point masses. The distribution of mass from the center of or the axis of rotation is same. It's not symmetric, but it's still distributed the same distance away.
You have 2m at radius L.
Right. I was dead.
That was kind of like I really thought, I don't hate the music. I just don't. I think it's hot chocolate. Oh, the balls are pointing.
Time doesn't like the best.
I mean, I think it's at least 250. It's so bad. I thought it was like giving us random crap for Saturday.
I did too.
Okay, that's not that bad. The balls are
Bro, I think those two arrows were so really because that looks like they should sign Russia.
Tell your neighbor.
Surely that should be.
Yeah, see, if the balls weren't point masses, then you would have to do some funny calculus. Because there's a certain area that's outside the circle and a certain area.
You do parallel axis theorem. Be way easier.
Honestly, I'd probably set up the interval because that's easier to remember.
I'm not a big parallel axis.
All right. Everybody good with C? The same. Okay, this is why the moment of inertia of a ring is just mr squared. Okay.
Bro, I have bullshit. Exactly. So many times I can't figure it out. Oh, so you meant you. Well, that's a big rod.
How about we had 2 more of those rods?
Tell your neighbor.
60 degrees apart. But what if we had 2 more rods?
Is everybody good with A?
I'm just going off that.
Okay, we're assuming uniform density.
Oh, that is not.
Speaking of math.
You have to have
Tell your neighbor what you think.
Oh, wait. And
There's the same amount of material on the same distance away.
It's the same question as this. They have the same mass, so there's half the mass here and half the mass here.
So you just cut off the extra half and put it over, and you suddenly have the same exact thing.
Okay.
That's interesting.
No, I got it.
What the heck, bro?
Yeah, that happens to me relatively often.
Well, no.
Tell your neighbor.
It's useful because then you can. It's useful because it's actually useful because.
What if the piece of pie is heavier? What if the piece of pie is heavier in the center?
Uniformly does. Correct answer was B. Is everybody okay with that? There's more mass here than there is here. Versus here, it's.
Remember the triangle?
If I had been discovering geometry way back in the day, I think I would have just assumed the area of every circle is infinity.
You wouldn't have gotten very far in your math career. Correct answer is C. They have the same mass. It has the same proportion of distribution. It's like taking this and smearing this. But it's a really thin piece of pie. Or it's a really thin pie. Or we could do that. You could like take a pizza and stack all 8 pieces together.
Bro, lasagna is great. I don't know what you're talking about.
Lasagna is for chumps. It's only popular because garbage likes it. Lasagna is so overrated.
It's so good though.
Okay, spaghetti is better than lasagna. No,
I know the exact amount.
I'm so right.
It doesn't have a name.
Also, I've never had pie.
I can do like a
That is totally. Anything. I've never had pie in my life other than lasagna. No, you have not. Wait,
Lasagna's pie.
I was.
Bro, why do you think lasagna's pie?
You're just holding on to that because you can say that?
That's my 2 of
It is not worth it. Pie is so.
No, I just like normally can't eat pie, but yeah.
Okay.
How many things can you actually eat?
Not very many.
What, is it like 4? Or you know?
It's like about 5 things.
About 5. I get
All right. Tell your neighbor the answer to this question. Oh.
You can microwave a potato.
I can microwave a potato.
Why would you microwave a potato when you can boil it?
Finally, fire ticket to the stove.
Because I don't want to boil one potato.
Or get in for free if you're either way.
Or get in for free if I'm with staff.
You don't want to do Thursday night. It's worth $10 for the crowd.
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
I'm
worth
in
$10.
that show.
It's worth $10 to skip the crowd.
No, the crowd is awesome. It's so much more fun.
Man, people are scary.
But like if you're performing, that's the point.
Well,
Right,
I'm not.
that's the whole point.
No,
Like,
I'm
you
not
got
performing.
that,
I'm gonna
there's
do
500 people there, and I'm the narrator. It's the only person on stage right now. That's cool.
No. I'm in the audience. So I'm not performing.
You are so allowed.
Tell your neighbor the answer to this question.
Is that a different question?
No, it's the same one. We just took a while to get there. Is everybody good with B? because it works for just this piece, lowercase m. But this is this this is going to be less than that because there's part of that mass is closer to the axis of rotation.
Happens to be M over 2. It happens to be on our spread. Okay, it's uniformly. Why it's so? That is the worst formatting I've seen.